Alright, hello everybody. I want to show you how to reset the oil light on a 2009 GMC Denali 6.2 liter. So you're going to go here to the information, that little button, you're going to click it, and right here it says service tire and change engine oil. So you're going to click the check mark. You're going to hold it, and then boom, 100% oil life. So all you got to do is just hold down that check mark on the oil life and it's going to reset itself. Alright, that's how you reset your oil light. Thank you for watching this video, and God bless.